That's a heck of a way to start out the day. Man, that drop time buck, we need to find a name for him, but something along the lines of angry and mean, because when he does reach maturity someday, he is going to be a mean old buck. It'll be a fun one to hunt. I think that was a better Snort Wheeze than the other day. Shane and I were talking about that. That was pretty cool. So he came in, and then we had another buck come in. He was mature, looked like a 9-point. He Snort Wheezed at the drop time buck. That other buck pushed him off. So it's pretty fun watching that. Shay had the bow in hand. We were gonna take him if we got an opportunity, but there was just too many sticks. So he worked off. But man, yesterday's movement was very, very slow midday, and honestly, I should have been sitting corn, sitting some kind of food source or closer to food. But I've said this farm's about 400 acres in size, and I would say over half of it is just corn, standing corn right now. So I know the corn's coming out next week, early next week, and I know that I want to get a couple more stands up. So if the movement's going to be slow, I think I'm going to take this time to get a couple more stands hung. It's a lot of work trying to get all these stands hung in here. It's a mile access all the way back in here. It's a long ways in, so just be a lot of stuff to do first thing in the morning in the dark. So we'll get everything done today. But I'm gonna get down, get some breakfast. Yeah, I've got some work stuff to do as well. I gotta move some blinds for some guys and do some mowing. So tomorrow's gonna be a good day. It's gonna be warm still, but I'm really looking forward to the weekend. Casey's coming down as well, and tomorrow we're gonna be ground hunting. I am pumped. Shay's smiling over there. I'm smiling. We're actually seeing deer, and the farms that we were ground hunting, we weren't really seeing deer, so we're pretty tickled to see what happens tomorrow. So I've got a couple good ideas. Pretty eager to see it come together. Thanks for watching. I'll be back on the farm tomorrow morning.